Hi there, loves! If you want to know how to do a flawless filtered makeup base, this is how you do it. Let's go! But if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. At first, we need setting spray, then primer, and corrector. The purpose of this, mga loves, is hindi nyo na kailangang mag-photo kayo or photoshoot kayo or mag-video kayo. No need for filter na kasi yung result nito, yung output nito is parang naka-filter na talaga yung mukha nyo. Very flawless siya. Very, very poreless. Later makikita nyo, guys. Contour. And of course, we need blush. Then, luminous powder. Yun yung last and final. You can also put spray or finishing touches na setting spray. Ayan siya with flawless filtered makeup base na yan. And then yung sa kabila without. O diba, dun pa lang makikita nyo na poreless siya. Ayan. Full coverage na yan. Poreless talaga, mga loves. Tapos napaka-tinted ng face natin. Very flawless talaga. Always remember, mga loves, the beauty begins the moment you decide to be yourself. Thank you. Have a great day to all.